Bonjour. Watch this episode of Sound Effects to see what we can do with sounds. Music is sound. It's part of what's so intriguing to me is all the different sounds that we can make and put them together in an organized way. When we're doing theater, sounds are organized also to our bodies, to the visual aspect of what we're trying to communicate. So find something that you can make a little bit of noise with, maybe not too loud. You don't want to annoy other people in your household, but something you could set to the motion of your body. And you can film it without revealing your identity. You can cover yourself entirely. Watch my example of sound effects and emulate as best you can and send me a video. Have fun. Au revoir.